To update your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, simply go to Settings, and then under Settings on the left hand side, you want to scroll down to Software Update. Tap on that, and then tap on Download and Install. As long as you're connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of internet, it should start checking for available updates. So you can see we have an update that has been found, and now it's preparing that update. And then now it's going to start downloading and installing that update. So all you have to do is just wait. Now, if you feel like this is taking longer than you expected, of course, you can pause and come back and continue later. But for now, I'm just going to let it finish downloading, verifying, and installing the update. With the update installed, just tap on Restart Now to restart the tablet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.